me again, your Cabevalos, Ira Santos, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And I am from Leyte Normal University, Tacloban City, Region 8, a course requirement of our building and enhancing community literacy across the curriculum. And for today's video, it is the scientific nature and origin of COVID-19. In the year 2019, ended with the news about the virus named Corona, which further went to become a pandemic. It's a large family of viruses that can cause respiratory tract diseases that range from common cold to more severe forms of infections that are life-threatening. The first coronavirus was isolated in 1930s and was responsible for an infectious bronchitis in birds that had the potential to devastate poultry stocks. In fact, the coronaviruses are majorly found amongst animals. However, they are zoonotic, which means they can be transmitted from animals to humans. These transmissions occur through mutations. The 7 such strains of human coronaviruses are known to date. The 7 fourth strains are generally benign and are known to continuously circulate in the human population, causing a fraction of common cold illnesses in humans. However, the 3 categories of coronaviruses have caused more severe infections and claimed lives thrice in the history of mankind. These rare strains have caused significant complications known as SARS, MERS, and COVID-19. First is the severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus causing SARS. It's a type of viruses that originated from an as yet uncertain animals, seaborne perhaps bats, and jump over the civet cats before infecting humans. It was initially identified in the Guangdong province of South China in 2002, spreading across 26 countries, infecting about 8,000 people and claiming around 800 lives, making the fatality rate approximately 10%. The second significant human coronavirus, the Middle East Respiratory Syndrome coronavirus causing MERS, is known to be transmitted through dormitory camels. It was first identified in Saudi Arabia in 2012, spreading around 27 countries, much higher, close to 35%, causing about 850 deaths in around 2,500 infected cases. The third and the most recent one caused the COVID-19, which is thought to have originated in December 2019 in the market of Wuhan in China, with the onset of unusual pneumonia in the residents of the city. The animal reservoir of the COVID-19 is yet being researched on. According to some researchers, there is a possible chance that the virus could have spread from uninfected animals to humans through scaly intruders. Otherwise, cold pangolins precise in Asia for food and medicines. Possibilities of bats and snakes are also being considered today. COVID-19 has infected more than 1 million people and claimed thousands of lives. For most people, this is a disease that they can overcome, yet as with all kinds of viruses, some people are more vulnerable than others, especially older people and people with pre-existing medical conditions. And that's the end of my video, guys. Thank you for watching, and wag po natin kakalimutang magdasal palagi. Kumain po ng masusustansyang pagkain. Linisin po natin ang ating pangangatawan at manatili po sa ating mga tahanan. Do subscribe and click the bell button below to notify you for my next video. Bye-bye!
Ang inaalay sa panahon nitong pagsubok, sila'y anghel na nakabantay. Kamay man ay di maghawak, di maaaring magyakap, sa puso tayo'y magkakalapit, sa pag-ibig kakat